Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to hide last seen and online on Telegram. First of all, you can open the Telegram application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the settings icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and now you can just simply scroll down. Tap on privacy and security, and here you can just simply scroll down, and in the privacy section you can see the second option, that is last seen and online. Tap on it, and here you can just simply select the option nobody in the who can see my last seen, and after this you can go back, and this is the way you can hide last seen and online on Telegram. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.